NeuroGov as a product, its menu architecture, and the patient graph outcome you see in your video. Brain 1. NeuroGov Product Overview. NeuroGov, Neural Governance Core, is a strategic governance and decision intelligence product built on top of the 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube. It is designed to transform raw operational data, example hospital, education, manufacturing, finance, into auditable, explainable, and governed intelligence. Act as a command layer for ethical, predictive, strategic, and sustainable decision-making. Provide real-time dashboards, forecasting tools, governance audits, and variance detection. Compass core characteristics. Governance embedded, every decision layer has explainability, ethics, and audit. Real-time predictive insights, uses 3D, 10D cognitive layers, predictive, ethical, strategic, sustainability. Domain-neutral architecture, easily applies to education, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, logistics. Enterprise-ready, offline/online deployment, secure, API-based. Compass 2. NeuroGov menu architecture. A typical NeuroGov product menu includes menu module purpose example, healthcare. House dashboard home one screen control center showing domain metrics, alerts, and insights. Patient overview, risk levels, governance alerts. Bar chart data lake and loader load, view, or delete training/testing/unseen data sets. Patient vitals, admission records, lab data. Abacus Analyzer 1.0 Core Decision Intelligence Layer, RMSE, forecasting, anomaly detection, explainability. Patient trend prediction and score dashboards. Brain 3D, 10D Engine Control Governance Switchboard for predictive, 7D, ethical, 8D, strategic, 9D, and sustainability, 10D. Enable sustainability checks on patient flow. Memo reports and audit logs, auto-generated audit-ready compliance reports. ESG/healthcare compliance reporting. Locked with key access and mentor control, mentor login, trainee dashboards, role-based access. Hospital admin vs medical officer vs analyst. Gear system settings, offline/online toggle, API configuration, governance key settings. Hospital server deployment. Each menu option links directly to interactive dashboards and cognitive engines. The 3D, 10D layers are activated silently in the backend while the menu remains intuitive. Chart increasing 3. Patient graph outcome of NeuroGov product. The patient graph you see in your video is a governance-driven analytical output. White heavy checkmark key interpretations of the graph. X-axis, time, patient monitoring over days/weeks. Y-axis, patient risk index or health score, computed using Analyzer 1.0. Data points. O training dataset, historical. O testing dataset, validation. O unseen dataset, prediction and governance layer. Tooltip/hover layer, shows patient vitals, 3D rightward arrow 10D scores and governance decisions. Brain governance intelligence embedded. Predictive trends, 7D early warning of patient deterioration. Ethical oversight, 8D alerts if any decision crosses ethical thresholds. Strategic foresight, 9D aligns patient risk management with resource strategy. Sustainability lens, 10D monitors long-term impact on hospital infrastructure. High voltage. Why this matters. This graph isn't just visualization, it's the outcome of cognitive governance. Hospitals can take informed, explainable decisions based on neural risk intelligence instead of raw data alone. White heavy checkmark summary. NeuroGov equals product, governance engine. Menu equals operational control and cognitive interface. Patient graph equals decision outcome layer, governed intelligence.